Good morning to all of you. Myself Priyashak and my topic is P cluster or 8FE7S center. The structure determination studies on P cluster during the last 10-15 years have shown that P cluster contain 8 iron atom and 8 sulfur atom in two subunits that are nearly cubic. So structural determination studies show कर दिया कि P cluster ए ਪੀ ਕਲਸਟਰ 8 ਆਇਰਨ ਐਟਮ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੇ 8 ਸਲਫਰ ਐਟਮ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਜੋ ਕਿ 2 ਸਬ ਯੂਨਿਟਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਠੀਕ ਆ the p cluster believed to assist the reaction by transfer of electron. It accept electron from the Fe protein and transfer these electron to FeMO cofactor. तो ये पता क्या करता है, ये आयरन के इलेक्ट्रॉन जो है वो एक्सेप्ट करके डोनेट कर देता है FeMO कोफैक्टर को. During the two electron redox cycle, the p cluster undergo a significant structure change between two electron redox cycle, the pn cluster and to the pox cluster. ठीक है, in this two FeS4 cubane clusters are coupled by two bridge cysteine and the cubanes are also joined by SS linkage. आगे है पीएन क्लस्टर कि पीएन क्लस्टर क्या है. पीएन क्लस्टर is two electron reduced from POX cluster. In this Fe4S3 cluster share a fourth sulfur and a bridge by two thiol ligates from protein cysteine. FeMO cofactor. This contain molybdenum, iron and sulfur. FeMO cofactor क्या है, उसमें molybdenum, iron and sulfur है. It consists of two MEFE3S3 joined by two bridge sulfides and a third ligate designed at Y, which is a less ordered sulfur species. The iron atom is center interact each other and have Fe bond. जो आयरन एटम है वो सेंटर में है, वो इंट्रैक्ट होगा Fe बॉन्ड से. डिस्टेंस अबाउट 2.5 आर्मस्ट्रॉन्ग. Though the mechanism of nitrogenous action has been extensively studied and the structure of FeMO cofactor is well established, yet there are many curious questions regarding the site. Structure changes that may accompany the reduction of cofactor to the N2 reducing state. The mystery of made N2 the Fe cofactor that would facilitate N ट्रिपल बॉन्ड N बनाता है, मतलब नाइट्रोजन जो है वो ट्रिपल बॉन्ड बनाता है, is an important subject of understanding. However, on basis of theoretical calculation and the knowledge of catalytic properties of nitrogenase, the following model binding of the subtract N2 to the FeMO cofactor. Okay, the FeMO cofactor contain three weak Fe bond. FeMO cofactor में जो है वो weak bonds होंगे, कौन से, आयरन के. These are disestablished because of the distortion from ideal tetrahedral geometry. Therefore, it may be assumed that N2 could bind in the center of FeMO cofactor, thereby replacing the weak bond with multiple Fen bond having approx sp3 geometry. अगर हम वो जो weak bonds हैं Fe के उसको हम रिप्लेस कर दे Fen के साथ, आयरन और नाइट्रोजन के साथ, तो उसके जो ज्योमेट्री आएगी sp3 ज्योमेट्री आएगी. As a result of Fen interaction, the sp3 hybridization nitrogen triple bond nitrogen get weakened, thereby lowering the high एक्टिवेशन बैरियर फॉर N2 रिडक्शन. रिप्लेसिंग करने के बाद जो N2 की रिडक्शन होगी हाई एक्टिवेशन एनर्जी आएगी N2 की रिडक्शन के लिए। N2 की रिडक्शन के लिए हाई एक्टिवेशन बैरियर लगेगा। दिस टाइप ऑफ N2 coordination is supported by analogous blend of N2 to trinuclear and binuclear metal cluster. However, if the activity sizes will like to increase, then the distance between central iron atom will be the result that Fe interaction may not exist. Thank you.